Good day everyone, and welcome back to Smart Guide for another episode. Now we have a question which says, what is the maximum pH of a solution of 0.1 mole per dm cube in magnesium ion, which is magnesium 2 plus, from which magnesium hydroxide will not precipitate? Ksp is equal to 1.2 times 10 exponential minus 11 mole square per. This is the question, and we are asked to find the pH, the maximum pH of the solution, that solution of magnesium hydroxide. Okay, then we say solution. Let me see solution. So now we check this question. This is a question dealing with ionic equilibrium, because we are asked to find the pH and to dissociate this equation, where the dissociation equation, which is this Mg OH, that's magnesium hydroxide, will dissociate to give us Mg2 plus plus 2OH, that's hydroxyl ions. If we check this equation, the equation is balanced because we have only one magnesium, which is magnesium 2 plus, and the ion is 2 plus, and then we have only one hydroxyl ion, but we have 2 here. Then we balance it by placing 2 here, and the charges applies to all, which is -2. And if you check the ions, the charges, the 2 plus and 2 negative, the equation is balanced. Now we can go directly and solve the equation, as the question is very simple. But we say we asked to find the pH, but if you look at this, magnesium hydroxide is a base, and so we now would be dealing with OH, but at last we need to find the pH because it's what our question desires us. So we say, but Ksp, that's solubility constant product, that's Ksp, is equal to hydroxyl ion, which is H3O plus into OH negative. This is it. And so we can negate this as OH negative square, because all these ions are, we can negate them at the same, because we are dealing with solubility, and the ions are almost the same now. The disparate hydroxyl ion is for acid, and hydroxyl ion is for acid, and hydroxyl ion is for base, but we can just negate them because we need to find the OH, which we can enable us and find the pH. And we see, but we have already known our Ksp, which is solubility constant product, as 1.2. Then we say 1.2 times 10 exponential minus 11 is equal to hydroxyl ion square. So if you look at this, and we don't need hydroxyl ion square, then we take the square root of both sides, and so by taking the square root we get 1.1 times 10 exponential minus 5 mole per dm cube is equal to OH, that's hydroxyl ion. So now, but we have a question which say, or we have our equation, that's Henderson-Hasselbalch equation, which say pH or POH is equal to minus log of OH. This is it. Then we say POH is equal to minus log of our OH, which is 1.1 times 10 exponential minus 5 exponential minus 5. And if you press it well in your calculator, you get POH is equal to 4.96. This is your POH. So this is POH we find, but if you go back to our question says we are to find the pH. So from this equation, that pH plus POH is equal to 14. So now we can make pH the subject of the formula by saying pH is equal to 14 minus pOH. Then we say pH is equal to 14 minus 4.96. This is it. Now our pH is equal to 9.04. So this is the pH. I hope you enjoyed the video, and please, if you have a question, drop it in the comment section. Thank you for watching.